Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask a Health Educator. My name is Brianna and I'll be answering a question from Michael, who's 11 years old. And he asked, what's your favorite public health fact? So my favorite public health fact is that modern epidemiologists still use methods based on an experiment involving a 19th century water pump. Let me tell you the story of John Snow according to the CDC's Public Health Matters blog titled John Snow, A Legacy of Disease Detectives. So John Snow was a physician who had interest in the 1854 cholera outbreak in London. And scientists and doctors at the time believed that the outbreak was caused by rotting matter and waste in the air, which they called miasma. But John Snow wasn't so sure about that. He had his own theory, and he used a special way of mapping to track who was sick and where. And from this, he found something in common with the people who were sick, that most of them got water from the same pump on Broad Street. So his theory was that this pump had been contaminated, and the contaminated water was spreading disease. So to prove his theory, he cut off the source of disease by removing the pump's handle. And the outbreak soon ended, proving his theory. So based on this 19th century water pump experiment, epidemiologists today know to ask questions like these. Who is sick? What are their symptoms? When did they get sick? And where could they have been exposed to the cause of illness? So thank you for asking me about my favorite public health fact, and we'll see you next week.